Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Sinking Funds video. It is payday this week and I am super excited to share with you guys what I am going to be putting in my Sinking Funds. Now before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Comment if you are enjoying these videos. It helps me know that y'all are liking these videos and y'all want me to continue. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. I am very busy packing for Disney and hosting a baby shower, but I absolutely had to make this video because they are my absolute favorites. But before we get started, the planner that I am using is the Erin Condren planner. If you would like your own planner, let me know down below. And there is a link in the description box. Also, I do have my calculator that I literally just got at Walmart for $5. And then I have my sticky notes, and that just helps me write down how much money I need to withdraw from the bank and in what increments. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, after doing all my cash envelopes and my bills, if you have seen my cash envelopes video, it should be up also. I have $227 left over, but I did have an extra $39 that I saved from my leftover from my groceries and my gas. So I will be adding that also. So technically I have $266 that I can actually play with for my sinking funds. Now, to start with vacation, Disney is literally like 3 days away. So I am going to put $200 in Disney. All right, and let's see. So we're going to do on my calculator 266 minus 200. So I have $66 that I can actually work with. So wedding / baby shower, I don't have to buy anything for the baby shower, but I really do need to buy some shoes for the wedding, and I need to get my dress altered. So we are going to put $10. So let's subtract that is $56. College, I am actually going to leave that blank for right now. Christmas, I believe we are going to be putting, let's do $5. Okay. Okay, so that is $51. Now for Black Friday, we left it blank. We'll just see how much we have left over. Medical, we are doing $5. All right, so subtract 5 from that. It's $46. All right, we're gonna skip birthdays. I did not put anything for birthdays. Car, we are putting $5, so minus $5, so that is going to be $41. All right, so we have $41 left over because I'm not going to do anything for the ACT. So let's do let's do college. Let's do $10 for college. That should be good. And then Black Friday, let's do, so that's $31. So let's do $6. $6 for Black Friday, just so I can get rid of that dollar. So we have $25 left. So let's do $5 for birthday. So we literally have $20 left. So we are going to put that into vacation. So we're going to put an extra $20. So we're actually going to do $220. Now, if you hear my boyfriend in the background, just excuse him. He's playing video games right now, and I'm in the back room. But apparently he's just really loud. So we're actually going to do $220 for that. So actually, let's write that. I'm messing it up. Can y'all see that? Hope y'all can. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. $220. Hopefully y'all can see that. If not, I'm going to white it out and then I'll show y'all later after I go from the bank and everything. All right, so let's do our monies. So 100s, 50s, 20, 10s. You guys, I'm so excited for Disney. Like, you have no idea. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. And then ones. All right, so in 100s, we are not going to put anything in that. 50s, we are going to be doing 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ah, why did I mess up? I messed up. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I should just scratch that out because we don't need 100. All right, and then 20s, we are doing one of them. Only one, because that is going to come out from the gas that I saved from last time. All right, and then 10s would be 1. All right, and then 5s are going to be, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then ones, we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to do 6 also. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just so I can break it up just a little bit. But we are going to see, so it has to add up to $266. So 4 50s, so that's going to be 200 plus a 20 plus a 10 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is $266. So that is actually perfect. So I'm just going to write this out. 4, 1, 1, 6, and 6 to equal to $266. All right, you guys, so I'm going to run to the bank and I'm going to organize the money and we will get to stuffing. All right, you guys, so I am back from the bank. I got out $227 plus I had $39 left over from my cash equals to $266. Super excited. So let's just get straight into stuffing. So first we're going to stuff our vacation and that's going to be $220. Like, I'm so excited, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 200, and then 1, and then a 20. We're gonna do the total. So my goal was $700 to save. So hopefully, I'm hoping we're gonna count this though. I'm so excited. I need to get smaller bills just so they can accept it. I don't know if they accept 100s or 50s at Disney, so I need to get smaller bills. But let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. $757, you guys. I am so proud of myself, and I started saving in May, so I'm super excited. So that is $700 and, did I say $57? 20, 30, 40, 55, 6, 7, yeah. Yes, $757 is how much I have to use at Disney. Now this is going to cover the cost for food, for souvenirs if I want anything, snacks, gas, anything like that. But I am going to try to be on a budget, try not to spend everything in one go. But I am so excited, you guys. Like, I'm very proud of myself, and I just know that if I need to save up for anything else, that I can do it. I literally can do it. I'm so proud of myself. All right, so for special occasion, we are going to put $10 for wedding. I have nothing in there. So that's going to be $10. Alright. College is going to take $10. Okay. Christmas will be $5. We do have some money in here. $15. Now my goal is to save for Christmas whenever the next paycheck comes around. That is my goal, is to save at least $500 before Black Friday. Speaking Black Friday, we are going to put $6. Alright, so let's see how much we have. Alright, so we have 15 right here. 20. Oh, let me put this back. 20, 30, 40. And that's 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So I have $66. So that's actually really good. Okay. My goal for Black Friday is at least 300. I think I saved 200 last year. My goal is 300 because I like to buy as much as possible for my family members that time. But we'll see. Medical is $5. And we do not have anything in there. Alright. Gifts or birthdays. It's going to be 5. And we have... Yep. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. $10. I might take this, depends, to Disney just in case I find something at what's it called, at a store, but I doubt it because I'm pretty sure there's nothing that is $10 there. But just in case, because my brother's birthday's coming up, my mom's birthday's coming up, I don't know, I'll figure it out though. Card maintenance is getting 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's a lot of ones. I'm gonna have to switch that out for some for 20 out of my vacation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Oh, yeah, I need it. All right, so there is everything that we put in, and we're actually going to total it now. All right, so we have, how much did we put in? So we put in $266. All right, and then our balance is $757 plus 10 plus another 10 plus 15 plus 66 plus 5 plus 10 plus 25 equals $898, you guys. So that is incredible. Now it's gonna go way down after I spend some money on vacation, but I'm just proud of myself. And let me know down below if y'all do sinking funds also, because I absolutely love watching them, and I am more than willing to go and watch it. Check out your channel, subscribe to you, it doesn't matter. I love to support you guys, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like these, and I will see you guys later. Bye.